Creating a workshop. This is the Compass home screen, where we can get a quick overview of data and registration alerts and see your workshop calendar. To create a workshop, we must first have an implementation site and workshop leaders. We'll start by going to the navigation bar, clicking on Sites, and then Implementation Sites. We'll click Add New Implementation Site. Adding a site on this page is as easy as filling in all the subfields with a red star, and those include the site's address and contact information. The site's name is what will be searchable by potential participants, so make it something that the general public will recognize. Then hit Save, and the site will be added. One simple rule of Compass is that we always work left to right and top to bottom. So if we go back to the nav bar, we'll move right from Sites and go to Personnel. To add a workshop leader, click Add New Personnel, and again fill in the required subfields. Then click Continue. On this page, enter the programs that your workshop leader was trained in and just enter the final date of those trainings. Then click Continue. Alright, now we have the basics necessary to create a workshop. So let's move right on the nav bar to Workshops and then Add New Workshop. And you'll see on this page, just like with Sites and Personnel, you'll be asked to fill in all the subfields with a red star. Here they include the program you're running, the site it will occur at, and general contact information. For the contact information, always remember to use a phone number and email address of somebody who can actually register participants in this workshop, as that's mainly what this feature is used for. And you can also add a workshop description. Compass will automatically generate a description based on the program you're running, but you can use the workshop description box as a place for any additional details that potential participants may need to know about your workshop. We also ask for funding information so we can better understand how these programs are being sustained. Many agencies will check other and cite general budget funds. And something unique to Compass is the option to mark a workshop private or public. The default option here is Public, which will add your created workshop to the QTAC New York database and be searchable by potential participants using the Find a Workshop function on our website. Anybody can search public workshops, and people can even register online. If you mark your workshop private, it will not be searchable by the public, including physicians. After you've completed this screen, click Next. On this screen, you can add your workshop leaders. You can decide if you want to hold an informational session 0. You can add a DPRP code if you're holding an NDPP workshop. And you pick your workshop start date and time, and click Next. Compass will auto-schedule the entire workshop based on the start date you provide, and it highlights any workshops that fall on holidays. You can edit any of these dates if you'd like, but if they work for you, click Continue. And with that, your workshop is created. Notice the 4-digit code at the end of your workshop. Compass generates a unique code for every workshop created. You'll be able to use this code to easily find and track your data. Watch the registration and attendance video to see this workshop from a potential participant's point of view.